Kirsty's bendy boy. Bend, Nav. Bend.
Ladies and gentlemen of the class of '97, wear sunscreen. If I could offer you only one tip for the future, sunscreen would be it. The long-term benefits of sunscreen have been proved by scientists, whereas the rest of my advice has no basis more reliable than my own meandering experience. I will dispense this advice now. Enjoy the power and beauty of your youth. Oh, never mind. You will not understand the power and beauty of your youth until they've faded. But trust me, in 20 years, you'll look back at photos of yourself and recall in a way you can't grasp now how much possibility lay before you and how fabulous you really looked.
You're already here. Let's get you already here. I was too late.
I'll be the grapes fermented, bottled and served with a table set in my finest suit, like a perfect gentleman. I'll be the fire escape that's bolted to the ancient brick where you will sit and contemplate your day. I'll be the water wings that save you if you start drowning in an open tab when your judgment's on the brink. I'll be the phonograph that plays your favorite albums back as you're lying there, drifting off to sleep.
It's very good, sir. If anyone sees that ship again, I'll leave my hat.
Morning, Nick. Morning. Just wanted to know if you think the palm tree should sell tomorrow, as I do.
Yes, Neil. That's settled, isn't it?
I'm sorry.
Listen, that's settled, isn't it?
I just heard from the captain they've hoisted storm signals.
The promise has been falling all morning.
Oh,
It's very bad. Is it very bad?
a breeze.
Vigorous certainly, but she'll be sealing with the wind. What do you think?
Well, as I said to the captain, the palm tree is in God's hands. She's a sturdy ship, fully insured, not as risky as, say, the Indian Girl.
What's that supposed to mean?
She's sailing tomorrow, I've heard.
Yes, on instruction from New York.
Well, with that on carcass, with that crew, it'd be a bit humiliating, wouldn't it, if we signed our ship?
Quiet, please. You have her papers?
Ready and waiting.
Scrap.
Is that not what, sir?
Good, good. And the outcome we need to go.
It's harder to do because those two guys are there. And I like that. I like that pressure that's on you.
Custard, what does Johan want? Why has he come?
His ranch isn't doing very well.
Yes, I'm afraid you're right, but...
He was second class, didn't he?
Right. Yes, but why is she coming with him? And after she assaulted him like a mad hog.
I have a question.
Well then.
If the Indian Girl wasn't ready to sail by tomorrow, would I definitely definitely be sacked.
But she is ready, isn't she?
Yes, but supposing she weren't, would I be sacked? Not shy, Mr. Burnick.
I repeat, is she caught? Is she seaworthy?
The weather's fair. It's summertime.
Is there anything else you have to say to me?
Nothing springs to mind, sir.
Then the Indie girl will sail.
Tomorrow?
Tomorrow.
Slinking team custody.
Well, did you get on board?
Does it matter? You saw the evil in that operator's eyes.
Shut up, now, that's impossible. You can't see into men's souls. Well, is everything all right? You seem out of sorts. What do you expect? Mr. Rowland, wait. I have a question.
And I hope an answer.
Dear God, I didn't think orange went well with purple until I saw the sunset you made on Tuesday. That was cool.
That's quite alright. Is Helen coming round here?
Yes, about one. Do you mind?
Really, darling, why not should I mind? I adore Helen. I think she's an angel. Besides, she's round here so often these days. She's practically one of the family. I suppose you'll be getting married to her soon.
As soon as we possibly can.
What's the hurry?
Very much in love with her.
Well, what are you going to worry about? You're in love with Helen. Helen's in love with you.
Someone has been frightened from one day to the next. She won't go and be in love with me.
How much would you mind if she...
I don't like to think about that very much.
Well, after all, you were at Oxford with her, so that's 2 years you've been together.
Been together?
Peter, don't tell me you're still a couple of dear little virgins. I can't understand you, Peter, or Helen.
No, I don't catch you.
She poured out. It's so awful for you. You must do something about it at once.
I'm trying as hard as I can to get a decent job.
What do people need to get married in